We know that f and g are continuous, and we are given the value of the area under the curve of g of x, of h of x, between 5 and 6, 2 and 6, and 2 and 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if which one of these is true. So the first one says find the area under the curve between 2 and 6 of g of x divided by h of x. So if you remember the rules that we learned for definite integrals, we didn't learn any rules for multiplication or division. So we don't know whether this is -5. It might be -5, but we don't have enough information because we cannot separate these into two integrals like we do addition or subtraction. We don't have a rule. So I can't say one is true. The second one says find the area under the curve between 5 and 6 of 4h of x dx. Well, 4 is a constant, so we do have a rule of a constant. We can bring it to the outside, find the area under the curve of the integral from 5 to 6, which is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, so that checks out. The next one is we want to find the area under the curve between 2 and 5. Well, we don't have the area under the curve between 2 and 5 of h. We have between 5 and 6, and we have between 2 and 6. So we're going to do a number line and see if we can break this apart. So we know that the area under the curve between 2 and 6 is -1. And then the area under the curve between 5 and 6 of h is 3. So we're trying to find the area under the curve between 2 and 5. So I'm going to make that an x. So writing an equation and solving for x, I get -4. So 2 and 3 are the correct ones.